gonna pretend like I made a mistake, like I didn't want this to be purple and I wanted it to be this gold instead. We could have did another thing. We could have layered that gold on that purple, and that would have been pretty too. But so y'all can see this VLR and how it works. Here it goes, VLR cup, vinyl letter remover. And you just unscrew the top because it's sealed at the top of this, and you'll have to puncture. You have to puncture the top of the VLR. It's very easy to puncture, so I just put a little hole in it with the X-Acto knife, and then I'll screw this top back on. Once I screw this top back on, it has a twist cap to seal it back so that you're not losing VLR. VLR kind of reminds me of nail polish remover or alcohol in a sense because it does evaporate. So you make sure it's tight at the top, at the top where you're sealing it, and at this spout where we're gonna pour from. And what we'll do here is we'll turn our shirt kind of inside out because this purple part is this. We're saying, oh man, she wanted this to be gold. She didn't want it to be purple. Pretend. But we gotta remove this. And I'll just kind of put it in my hand here. And you can kind of see where the crown was. Unscrew that top and just dab right there. Just dab, 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 dab. Right there where the crown is. Let it sit a second. Turn it back over, and you just gonna kind of pull a little bit. And if y'all can see in the video how that purple is just coming right off of there. You see how it's just coming right off? See that? It literally is just coming right off the shirt. I'm trying to make sure I keep it up so y'all can see. And I know that sometimes you'll be like, oh, well, the glue is still on the shirt. But really, I'm putting the same thing on top of it so it doesn't matter. But it wouldn't matter anyway. I see that glue. I could press this. Watch how I press this. And it's going to literally just fade into the shirt. But what I'm using is going right on top of that, the same color, so it won't matter anyway. I'm going to press that. You probably could just wait 5 seconds and bring that back up. And as y'all can see, you could barely see. Well, you can see it a little bit, but you could barely see it. Yeah, you could barely see it. So I just took that off, and I'm just gonna put this gold crown right where the purple one was. Oh man, I didn't realize they had little pieces inside of here. Let's just pull those out. So just make sure when you're doing your design that you weed it out completely, because I had missed 2 little pieces right there in my gold hat. But that's fine. And we just gonna press that back on. I missed another piece right here too. Yeah, just make sure when y'all weed completely. Don't be like me and miss a spot. But I don't do vinyl every day though either. So we're gonna press that down. We're gonna wait 10 seconds. And remember, when we do soft metallic, what is it? Cool peel. Anything that's shiny is a cool peel. I can't just go pull this off because it's gonna mess up. I'm gonna show y'all. If I try to just pull this up, it's gonna mess up my design right there. So I'm gonna leave that on there and wait a second until I'm able to weed that off, pull that plastic off, and I'm a bake and bounce. Okay, don't do what I do. So yeah, it's cool now, and I'm just gonna kind of pull this off, and boom, my new shirt, getting the crew back together. What y'all think? It's cute. Yeah. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to the True Crafting Crew. Our regular vinyl and our soft metallic. Like, share, subscribe. You can get any of our vinyl, any of the vinyl letter remover, any of the things that you've seen in this video at www.houseofvinylcrafts.com. Thank you guys. See y'all later. Thanks for tuning in, True Crew.